So our little fig twig survived the winter. We didn't think it was going to make it. We're very excited.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wow. Hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. And I got halfway through, or part of the way through this project before I realized I forgot to turn the camera on. Sorry about that. So here's what I'm doing. This is our apple tree, and I had that fence around it to keep the deer away, and the grass was growing up inside of there, and it was almost knee high, and I couldn't get to it to use the weed eater on it or anything like that. So I took the fence away and I used the weed eater, and now I'm going to put mulch down in there. Now, I know there is a garden, I don't know what you call it, garden cloth that you can put down that stops the weeds, and you can put mulch on top of it, and that's what I was going to use. But I've heard from several people that that doesn't work real well because it stops the weeds, but it doesn't deteriorate very well, and a year or two later when you try to remove it, you've got a mess because it's only partially deteriorated. So several people have told me that cardboard works well. The water gets through it, it deteriorates completely into the soil, and it's free. So that's what I'm using. Now, this fig tree is amazing because we planted it last fall. You can see this twig right here. I planted it here, and before I put this on it, a couple days after I planted it, apparently some rodent came in and ate the bark and ringed the whole thing took the bark off. So of course it didn't survive. We didn't think it was going to survive. And then all of a sudden this spring, I'm sorry I put this back on there, but so you can't see it, but all of a sudden 4 of these sprouts came up out of the ground. Not out of the bottom of the root, but out of the ground, right around the root. So we now have 4 fig trees coming up. Well, it's all one, but 4 different sprouts coming up from there. So Elizabeth is very excited because we thought it was dead. So now I'm going to be putting mulch around there on top of the cardboard. Cardboard will stop the weeds, let the water through, and then I won't have knee-high grass behind the fence that I can't reach. There we go. That looks much better. Keep the weeds down. Probably keep more moisture in the root ball too. So Elizabeth is still in Maine with her sister, so when she gets back she'll be very happy to see that I'm taking care of the weeds, that it looks much better, and especially to know that her fig twig is actually turning into a fig tree. She'll be very happy to see that. So Thanks everybody for watching. Live simple, live free. You be blessed. See you next time.